Hi students, welcome back to my class. Okay, today I'm sharing the ability to absorb water based on the types of materials through investigation. Okay, just so we have a look a simple activity on how to define the ability to absorb water based on the types of materials. Okay, this is a simple activity. Okay. Zura and her friends soak a facial cotton and handkerchief and a piece of newspaper in three measuring cylinders containing 100 milliliter of water. So this means they have a three measuring cylinder. Every measuring cylinder fill up water with 100 ml. Yeah, fill up 100 milliliter of water. So in each of the measuring cylinder, we put the different types of materials. Okay, for example, measuring cylinder X is a facial cotton, measuring cylinder Y with the handkerchief, measuring cylinder Z is newspaper. That means you just predict, you just imagine, you just imagine, okay, that I have a three measuring cylinders. Every measuring cylinder show the different objects. Okay, the initial water level is 100 milliliter. Okay, let's we see. After 30 seconds, they take out the three objects. After 30 seconds, they're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 30 seconds. And after that, they take out all the objects from the measuring cylinders. Okay, so they take out ready, from the measuring cylinder. After they take out ready from the measuring cylinder, so this is the observation, this is the record. What do they find is the final volume of in the each measuring cylinder. Okay, the measuring cylinder contain facial cotton is 60 ml, newspaper 80 ml, handkerchief is 70 ml. So these are the final volume. Okay, so what you can see from here. Okay, let's be same. Think and answer. Okay, so from here, okay, the first thing, before I carry out the think and answer, the first thing you must know, okay, the initial volume, all the measuring cylinders contain 100 milliliter, but after you take out ready, after the 30 seconds, the water level was decreases. Okay, the facial cotton becomes a 60 ml. The measuring cylinders contain newspaper 80 ml, handkerchief 70 ml. So from here we know that water level become decreases. Okay, now we see the questions. Okay, this is the warm up of a little bit. Okay, think and answer. Okay, as we see, what is the questions? I am waiting for you. Okay, one is which object absorb the most amount of water? Okay, let's be back to the observation. Okay, from the observation, you know ready which object is absorb most water. Okay, give you a few seconds to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so from here you must see which of the final volume very less. Yeah, okay, the final volume very less, we know that is 60 ml. So here, from here we know that facial cotton is absorb most water than newspaper and handkerchief. So the facial cotton is absorb most water. Okay, can you give me the reason why? Because the facial cotton have the tiny holes. Okay, tiny holes which allows the air or water pass through very easily. Tiny holes, very tiny holes. So the water is pass through very easily. So that's why it can absorb most water in the 30 seconds. In the short time, it can absorb most water. Yeah. Okay, when you compare with the newspaper and the sheep, just a very simple. Okay, the next one. Okay, the next question is goes to Okay, arrange the objects above according to their ability to absorb water in ascending order. In ascending order means from the small amount to big amount. Okay, so you back to there. Okay, let's be back to our observation, the record. Okay, from the small amount to the big amount. You don't look at the 60, 80, 70, please. Not from that big amount, small amount. You just have to see that which is, yes, yes, amount of the absorption, the water level amount of the absorption. So from here we know that very few is the less amount is 80, only 20 ml only absorbed by the newspaper. So the newspaper will become the first. Okay, that's because it's the very few, the less water level absorbed by the newspaper, and the second is the handkerchief, and the following by the first is the most water is the absorbed by facial cotton. Okay, so that's all. Okay, this is a way how we can define the objects. Okay, the objects, the ability of the objects absorb water. All the objects just now I show is a newspaper, handkerchief, cotton ball, all facial cotton, all are water absorbent, but only the difference is here which object can absorb most water. That's it. That's only the difference. Okay, that's all from me now. Okay, see you all again. Okay, bye bye, students.